Hi, I'm Brian Beal. I'm a board-certified veterinary surgeon with more than 25 years experience in private practice. I've also spent much of my career training veterinarians of all skills and experience levels to grow in the field of orthopedics. I'm here in Colorado State University's brand new cutting-edge CE facility. This is an amazing place to learn and possibly an even better area to visit. You'll fall in love with Fort Collins, Colorado on your first visit. There's a reason it is on all the best places to live lists. Whether you like trendy shops, fun restaurants, or a limitless outdoor recreation, you're gonna love it here. I know you see almost as many cruciate and patellar luxations as you do vomiting diarrhea or itchy skin. But how do you handle those cruciate or patellar luxation cases when your client won't accept a referral to a board-certified surgeon? Sure, some of them can do okay with comprehensive non-surgical care. But how about those with marked knee instability, incessant meniscal popping, repeated episodes of patellar luxation, or other sources of pain and disability? Nobody feels good at that point. When you come to the Stifle Extracapsular Cranial Cruciate Ligament Repair, Meniscal Injury, and MPL surgery course, you'll learn which of these patients you can help and how to do it. Imagine how thankful your clients will be when you've taken the effort to help them out when they really need you. Lots of veterinarians who are already performing these procedures come to this course to brush up on their technique or learn a few new tricks. We learn something new at every course, and we know that you will too. Bring your technician along with you so they can support you in your surgeries. CSU provides a deeply discounted registration for them. It's all part of their CE Elevated experience.